In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and effectively use Microsoft Bookings to streamline your scheduling and appointment needs. First, let's start by signing into your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll need to navigate to Microsoft Bookings. If you're unfamiliar with this, don't worry. You can find it in the array of applications available in your account portal, ensuring you're on your way to managing bookings effortlessly. Next up, we'll be moving on to the creation or editing of a service. This is where you define the specifics of what you're offering. On the left-hand side of your bookings dashboard, you'll notice a menu. There, select Services. Now, you have the option to either choose from an existing service, or, if your needs are a bit more unique or specific, click on Add a Service to create a new one from scratch. It's really all about tailoring your services to fit your organization's exact needs. For those looking to incorporate virtual appointments, enabling online meetings is an essential step. Within the Service Details section, you'll find the option to toggle on Add Online Meeting. This feature will allow you to host meetings in a virtual space, making your service more accessible. Once this is enabled, choose Teams as your meeting provider. Microsoft Teams will provide a seamless experience for both you and your attendees. Now, an important consideration for many businesses is the maximum number of attendees. Managing this can help prevent overbooking and ensure you're able to give each participant appropriate attention. In the service settings, you'll see a field labeled Maximum Number of Attendees. Here, go ahead and set the desired number of attendees you'd like for each appointment. Sometimes, this option might appear grayed out due to existing bookings or certain plan limitations, so keep that in mind as you set it up. Once you've customized these elements to your satisfaction, be sure to click Save to apply all the changes. This step seals the deal, making sure your services are ready for public consumption. Moving beyond Microsoft Bookings, let's explore how to automate your scheduling with Power Automate. Begin by signing into Power Automate with your Microsoft 365 account. This step opens up a world of automation possibilities, starting with setting a trigger. Choose a trigger that aligns with your workflow needs. For example, you might want the flow to begin when a new response is submitted in Microsoft Forms. This allows for an automatic chain of actions based on specific events. Following the trigger, you'll want to add an action. A common choice is to create a new event in Microsoft Teams, specifying attendee details and other necessary information. This integration adds another layer of convenience, streamlining your booking process. Finally, it's important to save and test your flow. This ensures that everything is functioning as expected before it's put into full operation. Testing will reveal any potential issues, which can be quickly corrected, paving the way for smooth and efficient scheduling. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are now equipped to utilize Microsoft Bookings and Power Automate to their fullest, delivering a seamless booking experience.